Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming voicemail is provisioned on your plan and that data or SMS is allowed for visual features. Once done, make sure you know the voicemail PIN or enable biometric access so you can enter prompts quickly. Now open the phone app and tap voicemail or dial the carrier access code such as *86. This begins the service handshake. This immediate step gets you into the menu so you can manage messages without delay. You will now navigate prompts and playback controls to hear messages efficiently. Press 1 or play to listen. Use 4 and 6 for rewind and fast forward to find key details. Save messages you need, delete redundant ones, and forward important recordings through the share option or carrier forwarding. Make sure to enable visual voicemail or transcription so you can scan text and jump to the right messages quickly. This reduces re-listening and speeds up response time when you must act. Finish by updating a clear greeting that states your name and preferred callback method. Go to Settings, right arrow voicemail, right arrow greeting to record. Then archive critical messages by exporting audio to cloud storage or using the Save to Folder feature so you retain evidence or reference. Finally, if you encounter errors such as no access or missing messages, reset your voicemail PIN, toggle airplane mode for a network refresh, and if that fails, contact your carrier. This single troubleshooting step resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.